Hi everybody, we're on page 854, Unit 8, Lesson 2, on Activity 2.3, and we're talking about statistical questions. In the last video I talked about statistics, that's the study of data sets. Now we're going to talk about statistical questions. These are examples of statistical questions. What is the most common color of the cars in the school parking lot? What percentage of students in the school have a cell phone? What kind of literature, fiction or nonfiction, is more popular among students in the school? So let's think about what all these questions have in common. Well, first off, they all have variability. So we have to look at many cars, or we have to talk to many people. So there's many different answers. I mean, sometimes it's just yes or no for the cell phone, but for the colors of the cars, lots of different answers. And to get the information, we have to take a survey or sample. We have to talk to lots of people. So that's what you expect with statistical questions. There's a lot of information you have to gather. There's a lot of different answers. There are a lot of things you need to look at. On the other hand, these three questions are not examples of statistical questions. What color is the principal's car? Does Elena have a cell phone? What kind of literature, fiction or nonfiction, does Diego prefer? For all of these, there is only one answer. There's only one color for the principal's car. Elena either has a cell phone or she doesn't. There is no variability. You only have to talk to one person or look at one car. You don't need a survey. So when we're talking about the differences here between statistical questions and questions that are not statistical, that's what we're talking about. Statistical questions have variability. There are lots of possible answers. We need to talk to a lot of people to figure out an answer to a statistical question. But if it's not statistical, there's only going to be one answer. There's no variability. You don't need a survey. You can just talk to one person or look at one thing. All right, with that in mind, answer the questions below in the Google form.